Hello YouTube. Thought I'd do another video here. I'm thinking we're going to do another video series, and this one is going to be about how to hook up two handhelds or two mobile radios. Now the mobile radio part, you're going to have to get the pinouts on that. I don't have two mobile radios here, but I have two handhelds. Actually, I got more than two, but I'm going to show you how to hook this up so it's a full functioning repeater, just like a real repeater, using the free repeater software. This software will make two handhelds or two mobile radios be like a repeater. So I'm going to show you how to make a simple interface board, and I figured I'd do this because I have to make one to use on this other interface because I don't have the repeaters. I have a data port. So I think I can convert this so that we can plug this in directly into the COM port and not need that board after I'm done testing this board. So I think we're going to do the video series how to, basically how to make an interface you can plug into your COM port, into your USB to DB9 connector, either using two handhelds or two mobile radios. Now, how this is going to work, this is going to be like a real repeater. You're going to have a receive frequency, which is going to be different than a transmit frequency, okay? Just like a real repeater. This will be a full duplex repeater. And the software will make it possible to do this. So, right now, I'm using this radio to key up my receive radio, which is hooked up to this circuit. So I'm working on the receive radio part of the circuit right now. When I key this up, you'll see a green light on here. This should go low, and you should see recording right here. So that's what I have the speaker out jack plugged in, and that's what I'm doing. I have to use a chip to get the signal I need for the repeater software. And then I have the scope hooked up so I can see my audio. I don't have audio hooked up to the radio. I just have it hooked up to the scope right now. So when I key this up, green light's on. It's in receive mode. That went to low. You can see my voice being picked up as I'm talking. I have the volume really low on there. And it says recording signal or recording in progress. When I unkey this, back to wait for signal. So I think I got the squelch line working without modifying the handheld. That's what I'm working on. I don't want to modify the handheld like I did with that ball thing. I don't want to do that. So I think I got the squelch line working, and I'm also going to put an adjustable resistor on there because every radio is going to be a little different. So we need to be able to tweak that squelch line to turn it on and off. So I'm putting a variable resistor in there. So far, so good. Audio. Recording in progress. I unkey it. Wait for signal. So we got the receive, squelch, busy, whatever line you want to call it. They're all the same. We got that working. Now I just got to work on the transmit radio. Like I said, there's going to be two mobile or two handhelds and different frequencies. So this is going to be a full duplex. And then if you want to get real fancy, which I recommend, you would get a duplexer and hook these up, the two radios to the duplexer, then just have one antenna. Or mobile radio, or whatever, however you want to do this. So that's what we're doing now. So the receive part seemed to be working. So this is going to be part one of the video series. Again, I'm not going to post any schematics until I get the circuit working and we can plug it in directly into the COM port. But as I build it for this circuit, I will know how to modify it so we don't need that circuit. So people who don't have that repeaters won't be needing that circuit. So we're kind of doing two things at once, I guess, what I'm trying to tell you. But yeah, this is going to be the video series on how to hook up 2 radios, whether it's mobile or handhelds, to have a full duplex repeater. Any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.